In this video, we're going to learn how to reprint invoices by date range. We're going to do this on the Print Invoice screen. If you don't have a shortcut already on your desktop, go to Reports, Accounts Receivable, Print Invoice. There is a setup option that needs to be turned on. If it's not turned on already, you can hit F12 on your keyboard, go to Info, then Setup Options, and then make sure this setup option is turned on. Print INV Spec Date. Make sure that's enabled. If it's not, go ahead and enable it and reopen the Print Invoice screen. Once you do that, you'll have this Date button here. So to print invoices by date range, we click the Date button, enter our start and end date. If you want to print them for a specific state, you can do that as well. That can be helpful when you're reconciling sales tax returns. Click OK. You'll notice at the bottom here it tells me that my date filter is now active. I can also filter by customer and by auto process code. So if I only wanted to reprint the customers that have them printed or faxed or emailed, I can select the appropriate one here. I can then make my options at the bottom as to how I want to process them. If I've selected auto print, I can select auto process and hit output, and it will print them all to my default printer. That's all. Just make sure your setup option is turned on, make sure your date range filter is active, select the other options you want, and output.